Hello and welcome to Smile Revolution Thrive, your space dedicated to you and your well-being as a dental professional. I'm Victoria Wilson. I'm a dental therapist, I'm a yoga instructor and mental health first aider. And I've been practicing yoga over 20 years now, nearly as long as I've been a dental therapist. And just under 4 years ago, I began running 6 classes a week online to other dental professionals. And I've continued to do this since we began in 2020. This has given me such an incredible insight into what really works for us and what we really need as dental professionals so that we can function optimally in our minds and our bodies on a daily basis. And I'm so happy to now have launched the platform and welcome more members in to join our wonderful community of other like-minded dental professionals who wish to put their well-being first, who wish to function optimally and thrive optimally as dental professionals every day. I look forward to welcoming you to class when you can join us if Smile Revolution Thrive is for you.